take this time and help you celebrate. People tell me it's your birthday all day today. They didn't say that it's tomorrow, and I don't think that it was yesterday. So close your eyes and make a wish and blow out every single candle on the cake and say